How to put Instagram link on Facebook profile. To add your Instagram link on your Facebook profile, first go to top right corner, click on profile icon. Now click on your profile name. Now here you can see edit profile, just tap here. Now scroll down and go bottom, and here you can see links. Click on add social link. Now set your audience. You can choose friend or only me, or you can choose public. After that, click on add social link, and from the platform select your platform like Twitter or Instagram. Select Instagram and then username. Now here enter your Instagram username. After that, on the top right corner, click on save, and there you go. So that's how you can put Instagram link on your Facebook. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.